Hello student, welcome back. Class 8, Chapter 10, Part 2. Let's recall the topic that we discussed in Part 1. In Part 1, we study about adolescence, puberty, development of secondary sexual characters. In this Part 2, we will discuss about reproductive phase, sex determination, endocrine glands, and the hormones released by various glands. Let's start Part 2. Reproductive phase. At the onset of puberty, every month an ovum gets matured in either of the ovaries of female and is released into the fallopian tube. This is called ovulation. Dear student, every month ओवरीज में से एक एग रिलीज होता है, मैच्योर होता है और फेलोपियन ट्यूब में रिलीज होता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ओव्यूलेशन. In the case ovum is not fertilized, it degenerates along with lining of the uterus and shed off as menstrual blood through vagina. This is called menstruation. This will happen every 20 to 30 days in a female. इस प्रोसेस को हम menstrual cycle भी बोलते हैं. Menarche and menopause. The beginning of menstruation is known as menarche. It may be started near about 12 to 13 days in a female. The menstrual cycle comes to an end at the age of about 45 to 50 years. This phase in the life of a female is called menopause. Dear student, जो menstrual cycle है वो 12 to 13 की एज में स्टार्ट होती है फीमेल की लाइफ में. That period is known as menarche. And it will be ended at the age of 45 to 50 years. That is known as menopause. Sex determination in humans. Human cells have 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, only one pair of chromosomes is responsible to influence the sex of a child. Let's see it with the help of diagram. In male, XY sex chromosome is present. And in female, XX sex chromosomes is present. When gamete formation take place, in male, two type of gametes are formed. One contain X sex chromosomes and other type of gametes contain Y chromosomes. But in female, only one type of the eggs are formed. Each and every egg contain X chromosomes. So the sperms are responsible. When the X chromosomes fuse with the egg cell, then it will form female child. When the Y chromosomes fuse with the egg cells, then it form a male or boy baby. In this way, at the time of fertilization, the sex of child can be determined. Endocrine gland. With the help of this diagram, we can see the position of various endocrine gland present in our body. In brain, here we can see this is hypothalamus gland and this is pituitary gland. In the neck, it is present parathyroid and thyroid glands which are present in the neck. And just above the kidney, a pair of glands known as adrenal glands are present. This is pancreas which is present below the stomach. And there are a pair of ovaries which are present in females only, not in males. And testes are present in male. A pair of testes are present in male. Thyroid gland. It produces a hormone called thyroxine, which regulate the utilization of protein, fats and carbohydrates in our body. Dear student, thyroid gland थायरोक्सिन हार्मोन सीक्रेट करता है जो हमारी बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट और प्रोटीन के मेटाबॉलिज्म को और यूटिलाइजेशन को कंट्रोल और रेगुलेट करता है. लैक ऑफ आयोडीन लीड्स टू द स्वेलिंग ऑफ द ग्लैंड. फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ग्लैंड, द आयोडीन इज नीडेड. थायराइड ग्लैंड की प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए आयोडीन की ज़रूरत होती है. अगर हमारे फूड में आयोडीन की कमी हो तो इस ग्लैंड में स्वेलिंग होना शुरू हो जाता है. एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज ग्वाइटर. And this disease is known as goiter disease. Pancreas, it produces insulin hormone which is responsible for maintaining the blood sugar level in our body. Dear student, pancreas insulin hormone secrete करता है जिसका क्या काम होता है? To maintain the sugar level in our body. If insulin is secreted in less amount, the blood sugar level increases. अगर प्रॉपर से इंसुलिन सिक्रेट ना हो या लेस अमाउंट में सिक्रेट हो तो ब्लड शुगर लेवल इंक्रीज होता जाता है एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नॉन एज डायबिटीज. Adrenal gland. Adrenal glands are present just above the kidneys. One of the hormones produced by these glands is adrenaline, which is also called emergency hormones because it prepares us to face stressful situation. एड्रेनल ग्लैंड्स के द्वारा सिक्रेट किया जाने वाला हार्मोन हमें इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में कैसे फेस करना है उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो नोन एज इमरजेंसी हार्मोन्स. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, इट सीक्रेट्स अ हार्मोन कॉल्ड द ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स व्हिच रेगुलेट द ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी, स्पेशली द बोन्स. ओवर सिक्रेशन ऑफ दिस हार्मोन कॉजेस एन exceptional increase in the length of a person. A condition is called gingitism. Under secretion of this hormone causes an abnormally short. A condition is called dwarfism. Dear student, pituitary gland क्या करता है? ग्रोथ हार्मोन सिक्रेट करता है. अगर इसकी सिक्रेशन में एबनॉर्मलिटी आ जाए, एक्सेस में सिक्रेट हो तो जो डिजीज होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं गिंगेटिज्म. अगर लेस अमाउंट में ग्रोथ हार्मोन सिक्रेट हो तो क्या डिजीज होती है? ड्वार्फिज्म. रोल्स ऑफ हार्मोन इन सम अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. हार्मोन्स आल्सो प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द लाइफ ऑफ अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेटामॉर्फोसिस. मेटामॉर्फोसिस क्या होता है? कैसा प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें टेडपोल फ्रॉग्स में चेंज होता है और इस प्रोसेस के लिए दिस प्रोसेस टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हार्मोन कॉल्ड थायरोक्सिन. थायरोक्सिन हार्मोन का होना जरूरी है. In insects such as ants also secrete hormones called pheromones. It helps insects to raise alarm during the life-threatening situation. Insects को भी ये pheromones hormone क्या करता है? हेल्प करता है to raise the alarm during life-threatening situations. Reproductive health. Adolescents should follow the following things to maintain their reproductive health. Good nutrition, proper exercise and rest, personal hygiene and good habits form the foundation of good health. These are the quite important during the age of adolescence. Adolescents must spend their time to do constructive activities. They must avoid the use of tobacco, alcohol and drugs. To remain healthy, they should follow all these things. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a sexual transmitted disease. It can be spread by using infected needle, blood transfusion from an infected individual. It can also spread through infected mother to her baby or by having sexual contact with an infected person. That's why it is known as sexual transmitted disease. It is caused by a virus known as HIV. The full form of HIV is Human Immune Deficiency Virus. Let's recall the topic that we discussed till now. First of all, we discussed about the reproductive phase. Then we read about menarche and menopause. Then we know how sex determination is take place in humans. Then we discuss about the endocrine glands. With the help of diagram we see various endocrine glands in a human body. Then we discuss the role of hormones in some other organisms also. Then reproductive health, and then we discuss the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome means AIDS. This is all about chapter 10